The next phase in the battle against redistricting is here, and as its opponents said over the summer, they're ready for court.
House Bill 4 is finally passed.
The Lone Star State's new gerrymander is not only morally indefensible, but it is also unconstitutional.
Marina Jenkins is the executive director of the National Redistricting Foundation, the group backing a lawsuit against the state's new congressional map.
Immediate intervention from the court is necessary because irreparable harm will be done to the voting rights of Black and Latino Texans if they are forced to vote on a map that is likely an unconstitutional gerrymander.
The NRF is asking a panel of 3 federal judges this week to put a preliminary injunction on the U.S. House district map passed in August, effectively making it unusable in the 2026 midterms. The foundation laid out its arguments today, citing what it views as intentionally diluting minority votes, racial gerrymandering, and the use of outdated population data.
Let's be clear. There was no new census data, no court ruling, and no sound legal reasoning that required Texas to redraw its map.
Political science and law experts say if the court moves forward with an injunction, a likely solution is to use the 2021 map in midterm elections.
Voters need to know who's running and who represents them and what their district looks like. And right now that's up in the air.
Assistant professor at the University of Houston Law Center, David Frumkin, says it will come down to what the court finds to be the state's intention.
The federal constitution, as interpreted by the U.S. Supreme Court, bars states from intentionally gerrymandering with racial objectives in mind.
Governor Greg Abbott signed the map into law 1 month ago today and says the new maps improve fairness.
Texas is now more red in the United States Congress.
But the NRF says there's a chance this case goes all the way to the top.
We do believe that there's a possibility that this gets up before the Supreme Court this term.
The federal hearing is set to begin on Wednesday and could last up to 9 days. It comes ahead of the midterm primary filing deadline on December 8th. Reporting from the state capitol, Andrew Lamparski, CBS Austin News.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and get the latest news by downloading the CBS Austin News app.